Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to show you what is under my blanket. That actually came from a watcher of mine, a subscriber of mine, and I'm really considering changing my name to that, What's Under My Blanket, because a lot of you may know I have a little Yorkie and she's constantly getting to everything that I unbox. So I keep everything under my blanket now. So it's under my blanket. I am doing a Shein haul, which you probably saw in the title. So we're going to go ahead and start. I will have somewhere around here the prices that I paid for everything. So let's see. The first thing is nothing. Should have 3 things in this bag. Okay. So I got this. Ooh, it's really soft. That's nice. Got this t-shirt. Thought it was really cute. It's a size, look at it, it's a tagless too. It doesn't have, nothing. It's just very pretty. Well, I think, in my opinion. I like anything with like a little palm tree beach theme going on there. Looks like a wave. Let me see my glasses. This is in a size small, and it's 97% polyester and 3% spandex. So I'm willing to bet this is going to shrink up a little bit. Probably not too much though, because it's not 100% cotton. So hopefully when it shrinks up, it'll fit a little bit. I mean, it looks awful. It looks kind of boxy, like it's going to be big, but I'll try it on. And I don't think I would get rid of it anyway. All right, so the next thing that I got, some of you may know I have this very strange pen obsession. And I got this little tiny owl pen. So it's kind of one of those where it's different colors. The blue, the green, the pink. I thought it was cute. It probably won't last very long, the ink, and I'm sure there's no way to refill this, but I thought it was really cute. Okay, so I got that. And then the last thing here, these are just little pieces here. I'll take one out to make, like, if I have a ring that's too big for me, like a little too loose, I can actually put this on the ring and tighten it up so it'll fit like on the bottom here, so like you can't see it. And so I thought I would try these out. I have some other kind that you can see it. So I thought maybe I'll try these instead. So, all right, so that's what I received in the first bag. We're not done yet. No, this is Shein we're talking about. Next thing I bought from Shein is this beautiful storage box. I think I'm going to leave this out here next to my sign here. I bought this years ago. Well, no, not years ago, maybe about 1.5 years ago or so. But I bought it and I have it on a video. It's from Claire's, and I just now put it out. I just like 2 days ago. Got it all set up, and I've had it for years. I keep saying years. It hasn't been years. I've only been doing YouTube for 2 years, so it had to have been within that time. Okay, but anyway, this is the little box. I thought this would be good to put next to me on this little table, because when I unbox things, I need somewhere to put stuff. So my little dog doesn't get them. Doesn't get my stuff, but here's the little box. Comes with a little lid here. That's too bad. I thought it's not magnetic. It has Velcro. I thought when I saw it that it was magnetic, but it is not. But it's very, very nice. It's cute. I thought, and I still think. So yeah, this is cute. So I'm going to be just putting it, let's see if I can move you guys over here a little bit. Yep, that's where I'm going to put it. No, Brooklyn, no. I dropped it. It's hers. So I was going to go ahead and just stick it over here. I've got this candle holder here right now. I'm going to move this and just put this on here. And as I unbox things, I was thinking just of putting it in there so Brooklyn can't get a hold of it. For those of you that don't know, Brooklyn is my little Yorkie. She runs around and photo bombs all my videos. I don't think there's, well, maybe there's 1 or 2 videos she's not in. Most of the time she's right there. All right. Next, I got these little shelves. Okay. I was curious about these, how I got these for my dresser, and I was going to put one on top of the other to make it like a double-decker sort of thing, so I would have more room on my dresser, because right now it's just packed full of, you know, stuff. My makeup and my brushes and, you know, just skincare. Everything's like, because I don't have a master bathroom, so everything's on my dresser. And so I was hoping that would kind of solve some storage issues. So hopefully, oh, it's not under my blanket anymore. Brooklyn sees it. Okay, now it's back under my blanket. What's under my blanket, Brooklyn? What's under my blanket? All right, this I bought for traveling. I do travel. My husband and I take the kids and we go on cruises. About once a year. We're going to actually do it twice this year because we just went on one a couple months ago, and then we're going on one in July. So this is supposed to be like a travel bag. I don't quite understand what this is. It's all right, well, there's a lot of room in there, but let me tell you, the material is very thin material. You can see through it almost. So can't really put too much stuff in here that's heavy, that's for sure. It would just rip in half. I hate that word. My public speaking class years ago, years and years and years ago, I learned not to say that. And here I am saying it again. Trying to figure out exactly what this was. Why did I buy this? I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that because I think I bought something that I didn't know was going to be that. Do you know what I mean? Like, I thought it was something different. So, okay. And then, what is this? I remember what this is. It's a little, I don't know, a powder puff is what they used to call it when, you know, when I was a kid. What did they call it now? Let me see. It's just a little pink puff thing. You know, to put on, you know, makeup or powder or, you know, whatever. And I was reading in the comments, and one lady or man, I don't know, had stated, if you want to be really sparkly, don't buy this. And I'm thinking, why would I want to be really sparkly? Definitely, I'm hoping that this isn't full of sparkles, because if that's what that person thought, no, I wouldn't have bought it if it was like full of sparkles. So yeah, I think, you know, it's just a little powder puff, and it's so very soft. So that is super cute. And I just saw some sparkles. It's probably from my own face from when I put glitter on my eyes today. Yeah, I don't think it's coming from this. God, that would suck. Anyway. Okay, what else is under my blanket? Is that it? No, that's not it. I have something else under my blanket. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I remember. I saw this and I had to get it. And I'll tell you why. I bet you can't wait to find out why. This is supposed to, yep, it's for my contact lenses. So it's got the contact lens thing here. And then it has this little thing for travel to put contact lens solution in. And I don't know what all the other little things are. I don't know what I would use these for. Tweezers for what? I don't use tweezers to get my contacts out. Maybe you're supposed to. And then this little thing, I'm not too sure what it's for either. So, but that is for contact lenses. And I thought this would be great to carry with me because I need somewhere, you know, to put my contacts. Like if I'm out and about and my eyes start feeling dry or whatever, I need to take them out because it's nighttime or whatever. This would look so cute in my purse. I mean, it looks like a little compact. So yeah, I really like that. Okay, what else is under my blanket? Is that it? No, I feel something else. I feel this. This is Chroma. This is the multi-chrome nail polish. I have one of these already. However, they have two now. So the one that I got is purple and green, I think. You know, I really hope this isn't the same color because it looks like it might be. Because see the green? And you guys probably can't see in the light, but it is like a purple green color. So I'm going to see if this is the same one. And if it is the same one, you will be seeing this in a future giveaway. It is really pretty. You move your nails one way and it's one color, and the other way it's another color. It is so pretty. I should have looked to make sure I was buying the one I didn't have. I just knew that I didn't have both of them, and I thought for sure this is the one I didn't have. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And like I said, if I have it, you'll be seeing it in a giveaway. And I think that's all. Yep, that was all that was under my blanket. I really love that. The more I say it, it's growing on me. I'm really thinking of changing my channel name to that. What's under the blanket? I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up. If you can, please take time and just comment down below. Let me know that you were here. And I already said thumbs up. Subscribe. That's it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And look out for some hidden giveaways. I will be putting up more videos with some more hidden giveaways shortly. Have a great day. Bye.